So I've been looking for a fairly reasonable alternative for a new student to learn guitar on, and I found this electric guitar. It's called an FST electric guitar. It's a Firefly FFST classic model electric guitar, and the color is flower. You'll see it in a few minutes. And it comes with a roasted mahogany guitar body, roasted Canadian maple neck, rosewood fretboard, Korea high quality bridges, stainless frets and locking tuners, customized Alnico 5 pickups, nickel strings and bone nut. The retail cost as of July 1st, 2024 is $179, and I haven't weighed it yet, still in the box. So I will put these details into the description area so you can check it out for yourself. So this is the box that it came in, so you can see how big it is. It does not come with a case, I don't believe. It's just packaged in this box, and you'll see it when I see it. So that's one end. Here's the other end. So let me set this up so that you can see it when I see it. So this is the label that's on the end of the box. So it appears it's styrofoam. See if I can get a hold of it. All right, so it's taped. Okay, so you're going to see it when I'm going to see it. Let's take a look here. Ooh. First glance, it looks pretty good. All right. Okay, that's how it comes packaged. Take the rubber band off. As far as accessories go, it does come with a truss rod, adjustment tool, and a guitar cable. So that's pretty good. Okay, let's pull this thing out of the box. Look at that. not quite in tune. Looks like it might come with a whammy bar, so you can hook there. I'll have to check that out further. So here we go. I guess. Looks pretty nice. Let me turn it this way, and I'll give you a close-up of it. And it does say Firefly on there. Looks like it has abalone inlays. Let's look at the back. Here's the back. And see if I can get, I'll try and take a picture of that, but there's your locking tuners. Looks pretty nice. Maple neck looks good. Okay, well, the proof is in the pudding. Let me hook this up to my amp, and first I'll tune it up and then I'll play a little bit for you and see how it sounds and see how the frets feel. My first impression of this guitar is it's definitely worth $179. So I'm running this into a Yamaha, it's 15 amps right now, or 15 watts, I'm sorry. So when it's plugged in, it's 30 watts, but right now I'm running on the battery. So and right now we're on the bridge pickup. Got the whammy bar in. Volume is set, I don't know, at 5 or 6. This is all right, so let me play a little bit for you. By the way, the intonation is right on out of the box. It's amazing. The frets feel good. They're supposed to be jumbo frets. They feel really good. They're smooth. Don't feel any rough spots on the frets. Let me play a little bit. This is on, like I said, the neck pickup. Okay, this is the first position up from the neck pickup. Okay, this is the middle position. So that should be all the pickups. Okay, this is the next position, which I believe are these two pickups, the neck and the middle pickup. And here's the neck neck pickup. And back to the bridge pickup. And if you want to see this whammy bar come out, you just pull on it, I guess. It comes out. It's just a friction fit. So to put that in there, you just push it down in. And it stays in position. It's kind of nice, but I'll tell you what, for $179, and I'm using the stock cord to connect to the amp that came with the guitar, so that works. The construction, there might be a protective coating on here. I haven't really looked at it, but this guitar really is incredible. It's got a bolt-on neck. So I mean, here's the back. So I don't know if you can see that. The strings look like they go through the bottom when you restring it, so they come up through. And I really like it. Let me just show you some of these frets, how the frets feel. I mean, there's no buzzing. I went through every single string, every fret. There's no buzzing. The action is set nice and low. It's a darn good, nice guitar. It's got a bone nut, I believe. And the locking tuners, the maple neck feels good. I mean, man. Looking at the low E string, and I see a little mark on here right about there. I'm not sure if that mark was there before, but I mean, let me put the amp on, put some drive in here. Sounds good on that one. right, this is clean. Well, if you're hesitant about buying one of these, buy one. For $179 plus shipping, comes to about $206 shipped to USA. I don't think you can beat it, for at least for a beginner guitar, and this thing plays pretty nice. If you like today's video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if it's the first time you're subscribing, then make sure you click on the bell and click all videos to be notified when I release new videos. Thanks for watching.